Select the Pages tab located on the left side of the side menu. Click the blue Add Page button. If you want to put content on the page, select the option Blank Page. Confirm with the green button. Click the window with the name of the page to edit it. By completing SEO options, you will make your website easier to find for potential customers, so don't forget to complete this step. Save your changes. Now grab the icon located on the new subpage. Drop it in the selected place, including subpages in the menu. Save your changes again, and return to the wizard to see the effect. Now the site is ready to be completed.